Hi everybody, it's Gagajoy, and I'm glad you dropped in today. It's so hot here, I feel like I'm melting and my clothes are sticking to me, but got the air conditioners on, so we're going to give this a no-cook recipe. This is from TikTok, it's Rage. I thought we would try it. It's, they suggest Clausen pickles, but I got one of those, and I got one of these. I took one of the Clausen pickles out, and the ranch dressing, it's the trick to it. You put a whole, this is a smaller one, so I'm going to put about, I don't think, and this one. This is not a whole one. Now let me see. If you get the bigger one, you put the whole package in it. But I don't use that many dill pickles, although my grandchildren love them. It's just, it's a 24-hour thing. You put it in their refrigerator for 24 hours, and it makes magic, so they say. So, let's make magic. I'll be back in 24 hours. Well, it hasn't been quite 24 hours, but I figure it's close, that close. And it looks like it's very milky, except this one. This one doesn't look, and I think it was still the same amount in it. Now that was the Clausen, and this is the regular one. I don't know why I decided to make them, but the normally you could, the big Clausen is what they started with. It changes the flavor, excuse me, and it makes it crispier. And I have to say that is good. I don't think it'd be anything you could put in a salad though. That is terrific. I would not have believed that. That's just a regular slice deal. Oh, this one is better than this one, I think. So I'm glad I tried it both. Well, it's a TikTok winner, I guess. Anyway, try it. I think it's just fun to try stuff like this, I think. Take care of yourself. Enjoy the summer. Remember, we have a lot to be thankful for. Remember the joy. I'll see you real soon. Bye.